pieces. They're not hodonai compared to things showing. One doesn't reach the same level. オーストラリアは広い国ですが、アメリカほど広くないです。 Australia is big, but it's not as big as America. キムさんほど日本語が上手ではありません。 I'm not as good at Japanese as Kim. Not quite the same. Why is the standard of comparison? You'll often hear hodonai with words like omo, kangaeru, or you to compare reality with someone's expectations. 思っていたほど美味しくなかったです。 It wasn't as delicious as I expected. みんなが考えるほどお金はかかりません。 It doesn't cost as much as everyone thinks. Close, but not the same. That's hodo.